Hi everyone. Let's assume that you want to control something with the help of a Bluetooth, right? The first thing you would need for that is a Bluetooth module. Today we are going to learn about one of the most famous Bluetooth modules available in the market, and that is HC05. This is how it looks like. It allows you to do two-way communication, that means full duplex, and it has falling 6 pins, a button and an LED present on it. I would like to highlight that this module is for classical Bluetooth projects or classical Bluetooth applications. It does not have Bluetooth low energy controller on it. So these are the pin configurations or pin configuration details of this module. Let's talk about the important ones which we used in day-to-day projects. That includes VCC, ground, TX and RX. For VCC, that is used for providing it the voltage supply. For ground, that is used for the ground purposes. The next TX and RX are basically the serial communication pins. Such a module is very useful in applications. Let's say you have two controllers or two projects that were communicating with each other on serial communication protocol UART, and there were two wires going between them. Now, if you want to shift that to wireless, then this kind of module would be very helpful because you will not need to make any change in the code on the controller end, right? On the TX pin, you are going to receive the data that will be transmitted to this Bluetooth module. On the RX pin, you are going to put the data which you want this module to transmit to any device that is connected to this module. Okay, let's talk about the other pins. So this Bluetooth module can be operated in two ways. It can operate in a data mode or it can operate in at command mode. In data mode, it operates like a normal Bluetooth module, which is going to be detected by the devices that supports Bluetooth, and it's going to connect to them, and then it's going to be sending or receiving data. In at command mode, that is actually a configuration mode. So once you enter the at command mode, there's a whole list of at commands that you can use to configure this module. Let's say you want to change its default name from HC05 to, let's say, Project IoT. For that purpose, you need to send it a certain at command. Or you want to change its default password from 1234 to, let's say, 0011, right? These kind of configurations can be done in the at command mode. There are two ways to enter that mode. One is the button present on the module, and the second is the enable key, right? If you give high voltage to enable key, then you are going to enter into at command mode, or you may enter it by pressing the button once. Okay, talking about the LED. So LED present on the module is for indication purposes. There are three kind of things that can be done. First is it available for to be connected to any Bluetooth device? For that, it repeats the LED, means LED blinks in a very quick fashion. That is the second case. Once it's connected to any device, it blinks one times in a second. If you are in the at command mode, it blinks two times in a second. Talking about the state pin. So basically, state pin is just a pin that is shorted with the LED. So if you want to take the indication to, let's say, some microcontroller, you can do that with the help of state key. So talking about its default settings, once you're going to unpack it and you unbox it, these are the default settings that are going to be available on the board or module. Its default name is going to be HC05. Its password is going to be either 0000 or 1234. In my experience, it's usually 1234. Okay. Its communication type would be in the slave mode. It is going to be in the data mode, right? So you can, if you use these two configurations, means if you set the baud rate of communication to 9600, 8-bit, non-parity, one ending bits mode, then you can directly unplug it, unpack it and put it into the project, right? If you are ready to compromise on the default password thing. Moreover, in the command mode, it's going to be on this particular configuration, and its default firmware is Linvor. That is it for this video. We have used this module in one of our projects, in one of our robots, whose introductory video was shown on the channel already. I'm going to put the link into the description. Do watch that one as well. You will find it interesting. And moreover, we are going to make another detailed video in after discussing all the components present in that robot in detail. Thank you very much. This is it for this video. Do give a thumbs up and do subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much.